Jai Jagannath. Welcome to another video in my channel. Today I will be discussing about structures and functions of Golgi body. Golgi body, it is also known as Golgi complex. Golgi body was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898 in the nerve cell of cats and barn owl. Ultrastructure was given by Dalton. So, this is also known as Dalton's complex. In the plant cell, it is known as dictyosome. And Golgi body is also known as lipochondria. Let us discuss about the shape, size, number and position of Golgi body. First is the shape. Golgi body is pleomorphic. It means a structure that can change its shape according to its function. Size varies according to the function of the Golgi, like it is larger in secretory cells. Secretory cells means the cell that can secrete something, like liver cell, pancreatic cell. So in that case, the size is larger and it is smaller in non-secretory cell, like muscle cell. So the size of the Golgi depends upon its functions, means the secretory cells that have to secrete something. So the size is larger in that case. And in case of non-secretory cells, the size is smaller, like muscle cells. Next we come to the number. The number is also varies, like in animal cell, the Golgi complex is only 1, and in plant cell, that is 6 to 12 in number. Then some lower algae, it is also 1, but in case of rhizoidal cells of a plant called Kara, there is few hundred of Golgi complex. Then next is the position. As I have told that in case of animal cell there is one Golgi is present. So in the vertebrate cell the Golgi is present in perinuclea. Perinuclear means Golgi is present near the nucleus. Then in invertebrates and plants, as I have told, in case of plant cell there is 6 to 12 Golgi are present. So in case of plant cells the Golgi is more. So the Golgis are scattered in the cytoplasms, and we can also say the diffused. Diffused or scattered. One more important thing is that zone of exclusion. It means a clear cytoplasmic area around the Golgi that is known as zone of exclusion. Let's discussing about the structure of Golgi body. It is a rough structure of Golgi body and it has four different parts, that is cisternae, tubules, vesicles and vacuoles. Let's discussing about cisternae. Cisternae, these are flat disc shaped structure with the swollen ends, and they are slightly curved and they are parallelly arranged with smooth membranous sac. And the Golgi apparatus has many cisternae, and the diameter of each cisterna is from 0.5 micrometer to 1 micrometer, and the number of cisterna is varies from one organism to another organism. Like in case of animal cell, the number of cisterna is from 6 to 12, and in case of plant that is 10 to 20, but in case of fungi there is only one cisterna is found, so that's why that is known as unicisternal. And the cisterna is the fundamental unit of the Golgi body, and it is a polarized cell organelle, means the curvature that gives the polarity to the cisterna. It means it has two different faces, and that is one is the convex face, another one is the concave face. The convex face is also known as the cis face or the forming face, and that is facing towards the nucleus, and the thickness of that convex face is 4 nanometer, and the concave phase is also known as the transphase or maturing phase, and that facing towards the plasma membrane, and the thickness of that is 7 to 8 nanometer, and the cisterna of the Golgi are concentrically arranged near the nucleus. Then is the tubules. These are the tubules. Tubules are short branched and interconnected filamentous structure, and it is develops towards the concave side. It is the concave side, and the tubules are developed towards that side. Next we come to the vesicles. These are the vesicles. Vesicles are small sacs like structure, and that is develops from the tip of the tubules. This is the tubules, and the vesicles are developed from that tip of that tubules. And that vesicle is of two types. One is coated, another one is the smooth. The coated is known as rough vesicles. These are the rough vesicles, and that is covered with bristle like structure. Next we come to vacuoles. Vacuoles are also known as Golgian vacuole. These are the vacuoles, and they are larger rounded sac like structure, and they are also formed towards the concave side, and some of the vacuoles are function as lysosome, and they're filled with granular substances. This is about all, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.